This lesson is 1.2 in Go Math. We are going to do numbers 2, 4, and 7, and then we'll just discuss number 9. Okay, so to start with number 2, the directions say to read and write the number in 2 other forms. We already have it in standard form, so we need to write it in Word. We need to write it in Word form and expanded form. Okay, I'm going to write W and E just to give me the clues. All right, so we start with the highest period. Because we're reading, we're going left to right. If we're adding things or multiplying, we would go right to left. But because we're reading, that's what we're going to do. So word form. Let's read the highest period first. So that would be the thousands period. What are the numbers in the thousands period, everybody? 14,000. Okay, so let's write that. 314. I'm going to scooch over here a little bit. 14,000. Okay, now let's read the numbers in the ones period. What are those numbers? 207. Gonna have to move my E down, okay? So 207. 207. Very good. Now I have to write it in expanded form. Okay, so what we do in expanded form is we just add up the values of each of those numbers or digits. So we start with the highest value. What is it? 300,000, right? Okay, now the value of the 1 is 10,000. Good job. And we write plus each time. The value of the 4? 4,000. Good. Plus the value of the 2? 200. Plus 0. Do we have to write plus 0? No. And then plus the 7. Okay, very good. So we have just written that number in word form and expanded form. You do the same thing for number 3, but it's already written in expanded form. So you need to write it in standard form and then in word form. Good job. Okay, number 4. We're going to use this number right here for all of these numbers, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so for number 4, it says write the name of the period that has the digits 9, 1, and 3. What is the name of this period? Remember in 4th grade we talk about the ones period and the thousands period. So which one are the digits 9, 1, and 3 in? Which period? Is it ones period or thousands period? It is thousands period. And because it's the name of the period, I'm going to capitalize it. Thousands period. Okay? All right. And then for number 5, it's asking for the digit in the 10,000s place. So just the digit. Another word for digit is number. And then number 6, it says to write the value of the digit 9. So just pay attention to those. Let's do number 7. It says, for these problems, 7 and 8, we're going to use this table right here. Okay, so for number 7, let's read it out loud. Ready? Go. Which state had a population of 804,194? Okay, so let's look over here. Which one has an 804,000? Think and say.
South Dakota.
Yeah, it's right there, 804,000. So let's just check the rest. 194, does it match? Yeah, it does. Yeah, right here, 194, 194. So that matches too. So it says which state, so we're going to write the name of that state, which is South Dakota. Remember, when you're writing names of things, they should be capitalized. They are proper nouns. Okay, so we'll just talk about number 9, and you guys can solve for it. It says, is 70,000 written in standard form or word form? Just there. 70,000. This is almost a trick question, isn't it? 70 is written in 70. If you look at that, 70 is written as what? Standard, but 1,000 is written in... Okay, that's almost a trick question, so just say that. 70 is written in standard form, and 1,000 is written in word form, and you'll get both of them right. Okay, you'll do great.